Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 17 November Monday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 4, number 7, number 18, number 26, number 34, number 38. Now lunchtime single prediction number, repeat: number 4, number 7, number 18, number 26, number 34, number 38. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 12, number 19, number 28, number 37, number 42, number 45. Today time second prediction number, repeat: number 12, number 19, number 32, number 37, number 42, number 45. Now tea time bonus ball numbers: number 18, or number 32, number 38, number 42. Now lunch time bonus ball number, repeat: number 18, number 32, number 38, number 42. Now tea time prediction for Monday 17 November 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 1, number 2, number 16, number 22, number 31, number 34. Today time single prediction number, repeat: number 1, number 2, number 16, number 22, number 31, number 34. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 13, number 25, number 28, number 37, number 42, number 44. Now tea time second prediction number, repeat: number 18, number 15, number 28, number 37, number 42, number 44. Now tea time booster ball numbers: number 37, or number 39, number 45, number 48. Today time bonus ball number, repeat: number 37, number 39, number 45, number 48. So friends, complete today lunch time and tea time prediction numbers. Friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe